Sharp's Fashion Nation. We are on our way, well, I'm on my way to 5BELOW to go check something out. I did this look. I know I look like shit when I'm like, this was amazing. But anyway, so we're gonna stop at Dunkin' Donuts and get something to drink on the way because there's no Death Wish store around here. Just roll by, get some Death Wish coffee. That we always have with breakfast. What am I wearing? On my lips, the liners, Curse Cosmetics. The lip colors, Jeffree Star. That's one of his lip plumpers. On the eyes, I have Curse Cosmetics and Flex Beauty Cosmetics. So put a little bit of that highlighter on my cheek from both. So yeah, this is exciting. A lot of people on this one 5BELOW post on Facebook was wondering about how to crochet the little Halloween stuffies. So we're just pulling into Dunkin'. So yeah, I'll be working on that. So look forward to it. Hopefully I can do 5BELOW haul. Now we are up at the plaza where the 5BELOW is. We're about to pull in up that way. If somebody's playing loud music, that's somebody else's vehicle. Anyway, not my problem. So yeah. Here we go. 5BELOW haul. Oh, I haven't been up this way in a while, especially to the 5BELOW. So Rob's gonna drop me off in front. Wait, they put the Bath and Body Works over here. That's convenient. Too expensive, but convenient. A Staple, Target's over here now.
Here.
Wow. Well, I know they have Sephora here, but I'm not going to Sephora. They've moved the Kohl's store over and they have Sephora. So, anyway. Be right back. Okay, so we are in here. I have already seen some cute things, but I'm trying to keep away from people's children. This is cute. They're probably going to get mad at me for filming in here. Little Jack Skellington thing. What's that? Jumbo Mystery Capsule. There's no price. $7. It's $7. So I'm not putting anybody's kid on camera, but if you hear kids, that's not my fault. Oh my god. Check these keychains out. Or no, these are little ornaments. Dolby. That's funny. The only clown I'm a fan of is my friend Rich Lux. But we are here looking for something specific. So let me go through and try to look for it so that people that, oh, your son, your source, that would be over here. I doubt it. Now they have certain crochet kits here. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Let me try these ones. 5, I think. Isn't that cute? That's cute. Sure, I want that one. We're not doing a full-on use up all my money for this. We came here just to try to find the one thing so that people that ask about how to make it, if I can find it, give me a minute. And the 5BELOW drama. There's always been drama in the store, especially up this way. I need to get their shit together. Okay, so they have this laid out different now. They have some really cute stuff in here. What is that? No. Y'all. Check that ramen bowl out. They're $7 though. But they have some of the ones with Snoopy. Oh, that one's kind of open. Gotta be careful. Somebody stole the chopstick. That's cute though. I'm still trying to find it. But this is laid out different. Alright, so the answer to them having those is they're already sold out. So I have an idea. I'm gonna grab a couple of more. Okay, so the answer to that is they're already sold out. So what I'm gonna do, oh my god, you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of Rylan Adams' friend, Liz. So I'm gonna grab this and a couple of other ones, and then I'm gonna check out. And that means when we get home, 5BELOW haul. Guess what? They said they were out, right? See you at home. Okay, we're back. We also stopped at the Dollar General on the way home. Y'all suck. Dollar General, you suck. They did have a few things there that I wanted because I saw these and got them. But, okay. 5BELOW haul. So I did get me this. I don't mind that it's texture because if I set that somewhere and I do nail art, I could just like put it on this. And then I don't have to worry about it. Okay. Big sketchbook. Then, okay. I did keep this one in the cart because it's cute and it's not crochet. It's a nitty kitty. If you say something wrong, that's not my fault. Okay. So there was something in the cart that I did not show you, right? So everybody and their grandmom from their dad, sisters, brothers, grandma's side freaking kept talking about Wicked. So I got the 2 crochet kits. I really love this one. So I'm not an Ariana Grande fan, but they're adorable. And then the employee that I asked about the crochet character, she's like, she looked, poor thing. I felt bad for her, right? Especially after I found them. I just kept looking and looking and looking. Then I went over by their little Halloween figures and I looked down and I'm like, get the fuck out. But I found them. So look forward to these. These are going to be done ASAP. I'm that excited that I found these. Yay. She felt so bad though, but there was another lady that went in there and she said that they ran out. But the other lady was about to buy every single one of these. The cat knocked down my backdrop. That's neither here nor there. Look forward to these being made. So we got these. We got the itty bitty knit kit. Kitty knit kit. We got, I'm excited. And then got these. I'm more excited to do this one than Glenda. So, and then I got that sketchbook. So with that said, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. This is going to be cool. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.